The spirit of Pawnee was defaced again last night.
Oh, what was it this time?
Chocolate pudding.
Oh, that's new.
Since it was founded in 1930, the PTA thought it would be fun if the students recreated it.
This is my legacy.
I thought understanding sick bakes was your legacy.
I can have 2 legacies. Anyways, I order you all to participate.
So what exactly do you want?
I don't know. I just got the Spirit of Woodside. Just give me $70 worth of chemicals. I mean, give me something that has a cool reaction.
What do you think is cool?
I don't know, just make it.
I don't have any interest in chemistry. Actually, let me rephrase. I don't have an interest in any chemistry except our chemistry.
What is this?
It's fascinating, really. It's sulfur. It's element 16 on the periodic table. It's in nearly everything. Our bodies, amino acids.
Well, all I know is that it smells horrible, and now I'm $70 out. Thanks.
I'm a terrible chemist, but Woodside has done so much for me that if I can't help in any way, I will. Oh God, maybe I should just clean the lab.
I know everything about this school in chemistry, which is why this is a dream come true. Literally. I've had a dream where I did an experiment, but then it became a nightmare because the chemical came alive and started talking to me, and it was whispering, and I didn't really hear what it was saying, so I leaned in close and then it ate me. And at one point, Miss B was there.
Well, since this is for chemistry, I thought I'd find a really reactive element, like fluorine, but I have no way of doing that, so long story short, I went out and I got charcoal.
Charcoal is a substance acquired by burning or carbonization of organic material and mainly made of carbon. Charcoal is compressed of 7 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atom, making for an atomic mass of 104. Charcoal, while its original use is for heating up things, can also accomplish various tasks. Charcoal can be used to help kidney health, water filtration, skincare, and even deodorant.
Well, charcoal's a great element. In small spaces, it can be used to limit odors, which you know we all need in high school. Well, I didn't mean to go all out, but I got potassium nitrate.
Potassium nitrate is used for several different purposes, including food preservatives, fertilizers, fireworks, and rocket propellants. Potassium nitrate is a common component of toothpaste as well. It provides increasing protection against painful sensitivity of the teeth to heat, cold, acids, and sweets. Potassium nitrate is also non-combustible, but it helps speed up the burning of combustible materials. If large quantities are involved in a fire, an explosion may result. Toxic oxides of nitrogen are produced in fires.
Potassium nitrate is a super strong oxidizer used in fertilizers and medicine. Cool. Well, April, what did you bring?
Because gunpowder is a mixture of very combustible materials, charcoal, potassium nitrate, and sulfur, when it is lit on fire, it burns very rapidly. The gunpowder itself does not explode, but the resulting combustion reaction produces a large amount of hot gas. When this gas is contained inside a small space, it creates an explosion. If the gunpowder is not in a confined space, then it will just burn, and the gas will dissipate into the surrounding air.
Ew, Tom, what the hell is that?
It's $70 worth of chemistry. It's the amino acid.
Amino acids.
Sulfur is necessary in every part of life, and humans have around 140 grams of sulfur in our bodies and consume around 1 gram a day. It is one of the most reactive elements of the periodic table, which is why it's used to create gunpowder. Sulfur has an atomic mass of 32.06 grams and is mined for millions of tons a year for sulfuric acid. It's used to make sulfuric acid, bleaching clothes in ancient Egypt, dyes, sheet metal, explosives, and has many more uses.
Well, you know, it's a beautiful element with its color and its brittle texture. It reminds me of...
Well, that's great and all, but it's not even a competition. Mine's obviously the best.
No, you don't understand. It's a beautiful element. Mine's the best.
Alright, everyone. We'll just have a vote.
Okay, let's see. Let me shuffle it. Sulfur. Charcoal. Fire. And potassium nitrate. 1, 1, 1, 1.
Well, let's just put all our elements in the center and combine them. April, no!
What happened was I put in my sulfur, and then Em put in her thing, and Leslie put in her thing, and then April lit it on fire, and it went. Pshh.
Well, what happened was that we ended up making gunpowder, and lighting on fire didn't help. The building burnt down. We didn't win. But neither did anyone else. They decided it would cost too much money to hire maintenance and everything. Oh well.